at Isipingo SIPS. According to Colonel Jacob, Brigadier Campbell Newswa gave an instruction to take the cocaine to Port Shepstone for storage after consulting Major General Sonona, Provincial Head of DPCI KZN.
Before you proceed, General, who is Brigadier Campbell Newswa?
Brigadier Newswa is the Provincial Commander for Serious Organised Crime within KZN DPCI Commissioners.
That was a position that you held at Northwest before.
That's correct, Commissioners.
And you would be reporting to?
By then he would have been reporting to Major General Sonona.
Okay. You may proceed.
The exhibits were transported to the DPCI Port Shepstone Serious Organised Crime Investigation Unit's premises for storage. Lieutenant Colonel Prinsloo, who was the unit commander of the DPCI Soki, was informed of the arrangement and allowed the strong room at the premises to be used to store the exhibits. General Sonona took possession of the keys to the strong room after the exhibits were stored.
Can you just explain Lieutenant Colonel Prinsloo, his position as, you said unit commander, but in preparation for your evidence, you said he was the acting unit commander. So who would he have been reporting to as the unit commander?
Commissioners, he would have been reporting to Brigadier Newswa as a direct line of command, as the Brigadier was or is in command of serious organised crime investigation.
And then you say General Sonona took possession of the keys to the strong room after the exhibits were stored. Can you just explain that process? How does it work? The keys, where's the keys ordinarily kept?
Commissioners, it's in fact a very simple process, but the key holder, obviously when you take over a SIP 13 facility, you need to obviously conduct a proper audit of all the exhibits there. Under the circumstances here, all the other exhibits or articles were removed from the safe, but there needs to be a proper handing over of that facility then,